Welcome to our tutorial on pairing your Roku remote. Whether you have a simple remote or an enhanced remote, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Identifying your remote. First things first, let's figure out what kind of remote you have. There are two types, the simple remote and the enhanced remote. The simple remote communicates with your Roku via infrared, while the enhanced remote uses RF radio waves. Step 2. Pairing the simple remote. If you have a simple remote, there's no pairing process required. Simply insert the batteries directly into the remote, making sure they're properly aligned. Since this remote uses infrared, make sure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and your Roku player. Step 3. Pairing the enhanced remote. For the enhanced remote, look for the pairing button. This button is usually located inside the battery compartment. Once you've located it, follow these steps. First, unplug your Roku player from power and wait for about 1 minute. Plug the Roku player back in and wait for it to boot up. You should see the Roku screen on your TV. If you were in the process of setting up your Roku player, it will automatically pair with the remote. If not, proceed to the next step. Remove the battery compartment cover from your remote and locate the pairing button. Press and hold the pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds. This will trigger the pairing process. You'll see a message on your TV screen confirming that the pairing is complete. And there you have it. Your Roku remote is now successfully paired with your Roku player. Enjoy streaming your favorite content hassle-free.